Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is it, YouTube? What is it, guys? It's Sonnthetrader. I'm back with a new video, and today I'm gonna show you guys the GBPUSD trade that I took on Wednesday, and I closed out yesterday before the market closed. And let me show you guys the screen. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see the screen. All right, all right. So as you guys can see right here, right? So Wednesday, I said Wednesday because Wednesday was FOMC. FOMC is pretty much when the federal things like I don't know how to explain. It's pretty much when people in power are talking about the markets and it makes the markets go crazy, right? So you can see on Wednesday, market like GBPUSD was selling right from here. It was selling, it was going down pretty much, right? Then until Wednesday, the news happened after the federal cuts and federal rates, all that was they were talking about all that. You can see right here, market started breaking, it started making bullish moves. This move right here alone has so much momentum in it that when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait till I think I waited until 7 p.m. and I got in the entry. It started going down a little bit. My stop loss was right here. Give it enough room to breathe. And the market, it was going the direction I really wanted. I didn't wait for it to hit TP because market closed yesterday, but my take profit was all the way up here, right, to target. But since the market closed, I got out because tomorrow market opens. This time the market might be going bullish like that, then the reverse again and take you out profits. That's why I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna take profit on what I have and be grateful for it. Be good for it and be grateful, right? Hold on, let me go on my phone real quick. Let me show you guys the trade I closed out. I have different trading accounts and I closed the trade out on different trading accounts. So let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. You see the blue at the bottom? Wait, hold on. Yeah, right here, the blue at the bottom says GBPUSD. Yeah, I did took some losses on Euro NZD. That was when the news was happening, right? Euro NZD was that it was going my way. Hold on, let me see Euro NZD. Let me see what it did after that, cause it was going my direction, guys. And well, not really. Yeah, not really. Yeah, never mind. Cause I was looking for bullish momentum, right? It started going up a little bit. Then when news happened, I had moved my stop loss a little close. Then I got stopped out, and then it reversed. So that means no matter what I did on Euro NZD, I would have still lost. So yeah, I mean, I got out. I got stopped out, then I took the GBP USD, which looked more stable, more clean. I took the trade. So yeah, I did take some losses on. Uh, I did take some losses on Euro NZD. You see the reds losses, and GBP USD only took one entry and closed out in profits. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to say is like, man, when you're looking at the charts, right? Like you see the market was going down in a bearish momentum, right? It was going down in a bearish movement, right? And you see after news happen and you wait after news and stuff like that, and you see the market start making massive bullish momentums. You can trust it, you can trust it and take the trade. It's not always gonna give you the best setups all the time, but there's times it's gonna give you the setup that you've been looking for. It's gonna give you the setup that you've been looking for, right? So let me show you guys, right? So right here, support, right? Then break above, right? Boom. Then made a high, then came back down here, made another support, and right here is a support. Break above the line, made a higher high, boom. Came back down here, made another support, boom. Keep pushing up, made a higher high, boom. then came back down, right? Came back down here, made a support again. Came back to like pretty much retest. It's like retesting every single line, like right. So if I put a line right here, you can see that boom, another support. Like this right here is pretty much supporting the block. Then it break above here again, another up here again, boom. It keeps going. Like, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I got out is because, when the market closed, this times it's gonna reverse it. Like if you were still in this trade, it might come back all the way down here and you're not even in profits like you were anymore. That's why I got out. But usually when the best way to catch good setups, I'm gonna delete those. The best way to catch good setups in the markets, man, you have to be on a higher time frame and and just keep going with it. When you're on a high time frame, you can see this is the daily chart, daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, right? On a daily, you can see that at the bottom, this candle made a massive momentum, right? That's when I trusted, because when I look at the daily, I saw it break above this candle, like red candle right here. It broke above it and broke above the line, and I was like, okay, it has a massive momentum, bullish momentum. So I was like, okay, you know what? I will trust the setup and take the trade. Even though, like on the daily, you see this candle, another massive candle again, pushing up, continuing the bullish momentum. Like you can see, it is definitely going to this point right here. But I got out on Sunday because there's times when I leave the trade open and the market, when it opens, it just do me dirty. It just do me dirty. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna just take my profits, secure profits, and I'll look for another trades when the market opens next week. Like by next week, I'll look for another trades. You don't have to stay greedy. You don't have to be greedy all the time and just take profits, man. Just know when to take profits, know when to get out. There's times like you can be in good profits and the market really comes back down, or if you're in the sale, it comes back all the way up, and now you were in like $1,000 profit, and now you back at $50 profit or $10 profit. There's times you have to just take profits and just enjoy it. Just be grateful for it. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, man. Like I said, it was going down in a bearish momentum, very, very, very bearish. Then this bullish candle right here changed everything and showed me that okay, the market is reversing. It is I should be looking for buys, not for sales anymore. And let's go on the 4 hour chart. You can see the 4 hour chart looks clean too. You see the candle broke, like this candle right here, break above this right here. I broke above it, like this massive candle, man, just pushed bullish momentum. So that means buyers were stepping in, and I was one of those buyers too. And yeah, man, took profits on that. What I'm saying, guys, like you don't have to make trading complicated, bro. Trading it's already hard. Trading is already hard. I understand, but you don't have to like. It doesn't have to be like too hard. Like I don't know how to say this. It doesn't have to be hard to the point that you can't profit off of it. You can. Swing trading is literally like one of the ways you can literally profit off the markets. One of the best ways. And yeah, man, just be patient with your trading. Trust your setup. Like even though like I ain't gonna lie to you, like when I saw the market was doing this move right here, this after I got in, it started making this move right here. My heart was beating, my heart was pounding because this like I was like, okay, is it gonna take me out before it makes the move, or is it gonna like reverse before it did? So I just stayed in, man. I'm saying I didn't look at my phone. I didn't look at my computer. I just tried to take it off my mind. And when I went back and looked at my phone, I was already in profits going up, and it was already breaking above, making highs and making supports. And okay. And even here, I had like once the market went up here and started going back down, I had moved my stop loss from here to somewhere around here close. When I saw it was going down like that, I was like, okay, is it gonna take me out before it makes the bigger move, before it goes to the take profit, or is it gonna like reverse a little bit? And it just kept reversing. What I'm trying to tell you guys is you don't have to be like scared, like when you take the trades, man, you don't have to be, like scared, bro. Just you know what I'm saying? Like as long as you have your stop loss and you good, like your stop loss. As long as you have your stop loss, you should be good, man. You don't have to be scared of the markets, man. Because at the end of the day, yeah, I mean, me seeing like, okay, when the market was going down like that and things like that, man, it did make me feel some type of way. But at the same time, you know, I wasn't always on my phone, always looking at it, always staring at my phone at the charts and stuff. So I just like, okay, let it go, let the market do its thing, you know. So yeah, that's all I had to say for this video, man. It's been a great live video. GBPUSD was beautiful this week. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna just type GBPUSD in the chat real quick. Like I said, man, I want to do this long term, bro. I know why I started this journey. I know why I keep going. I know why, bro. I know my why. You should know what your why. You know, you should know why you starting trading. You should know why you keep going. You should know why you keep trying. You should know why, bro. I know my why. And I hope like you guys watching this video and you guys out there that started trading, you know why you started doing this. Because, bro, you have to have a big ambition to literally do this shit long term, bro. You have to have a big ambition to do this long term. So yeah, man. That's all I had to say, man. That's all I had to say for this video, guys. I'm gonna end this live video, man, and you know, I'm gonna keep trying to stay consistent with YouTube. I mean, I be consistent mostly with my trading, but I'm gonna keep trying to stay consistent with my YouTube channel because you know, one day I'll be old. I'm gonna be old as hell, and I'm gonna be looking back at all those videos, all those live videos I kept posting from 20, like when I was 22. Now I'm 23. You know, one day I'm gonna be looking back at all this and be like, man, you know, like I'm grateful that I kept doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys watching this video, you know, understand that, you know, one day you're going to be old too. We all going to be old, man. And figure out what you really want in life and figure out what you really care for. And if trading is really what you want to do long term, take it serious, man. You know, learn, give it time, bro. Don't rush things. Don't be greedy. Control your fears. Journal everything, you know. Okay, why did you make that mistake? Why did you make that mistake? You know, like, is it because you were greedy? Is it because you had fears? You know, like, memorize everything, man. Memorize everything. Learn, like, you don't have to learn everything about the markets, but once you memorize everything, bro, a lot of the things that you went through in the markets or you took profit on, like, once you memorize a lot of things, like, you can understand, okay, how to do better, how to not do this, like, to not make that mistake you made months ago, years ago. And yeah, man, like I said, I've been doing this for 5 years, man. And this year is really like the year that I made the most withdrawals in trading. I made the most profits in trading, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. It took me that long, bro. 5 years. 5 years, bro, to really get to this position, to really make that many withdrawals and to do this, like, to get better at this, man. And I just want to continue, you know, do better and continuously do better with this. And I hope you guys out there watching this video can also do better, man. And I'll catch you guys at the top because, you know what they say, the bottom is too crowded. So, yeah. Peace, guys. Peace.